Today I'm working on design and composition by doing some little exercises. This is something that I teach in my Design with Collage workshop, and I'm just using magazines and some origami paper. Just trying a few ideas here. This first example is going to be linear or vertical in the case as I'm doing it. I just have a little 4 by 4 inch piece of Bristol, and I'm using matte medium and a credit card to glue it down. So when you're doing this, you want to be thinking of balance, you want to be thinking of interest as well. So some different weights of lines, some broken lines, some a little bit more random lines, not totally straight, to make it interesting. I'm also going to add a little emphasis of color just to give your eye a little bit of a focal point, a place to go. So I don't want to fill in the whole space. I am thinking of leaving some of it as an opening, a negative space, a place for your eye to rest. So there goes my little focal area, and I'm just going to check this with a working mat to see how it looks and if I might want to add something else. So I'm going to try a little bit of this stripe paper, but no, I decided against it. So I'm going to trim this one up and call it finished. The next one I'm going to do is shapes, and more organic shapes, and these have a linear edge quality to them as well. So I've got plain paper and stripes, so this is giving me some nice contrast. Again, just working with black and white, keeping it simple, trying to decide the best place to put my shape and balance it out. I'm only using a very few elements, but I am concerned about repetition because that is something that will help shape and hold the design together. Okay, I'm going to leave this one simple, just black and white. And my next demo is about symmetrical balance, equal on both sides. I created this paper with a jelly plate and some stamps, and it's very thin on deli paper, so it collages nice and easy. So this can be a more boring type of design, being equal on both sides. So I'm going to try to add some shapes here to make it more interesting. Okay, that feels too big. Let's cut another open shape and just see how that looks. Okay, I like that, going the different direction. I'm feeling like this needs a little something else. Not that, not that, maybe this. Not there. Okay, I'm liking it there. A little bit of color. There you have it.